Hello, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is day number 6 for Vita, also video every day in April. And this week I'm talking about all of my favorite products in my professional kit. So if you ever are considering me or any other artists and you want to know what's in their kit, I'm letting you know. So for today, I'm going to focus on eyeliners. Now, what I look at for in a professional eyeliner is for an eyeliner that does not run or is more or less waterproof. People who book me for makeup events tend to want to have makeup done for special occasions like weddings, proms, photo shoots, things like that. And you know, as women, sometimes when we are emotional, we can give way to tears. And if that happens, I don't want you to worry if I'm doing your makeup, because I want you to know that your makeup is going to stay just still. So if that happens, I will give you a couple of blot papers. You can just dab, dab, dab that, and it won't go anywhere. But let me let you know what I am working with. So here's my little pouch right here. And I'll just pull out a couple of my favorites. I love Urban Decay's 24/7 eyeliners, because they are like a gel liner in pencil form. That you can get the precision of a gel liner, but you can get the precision of a gel liner, but with the control of a pencil. You can get it real thin, but then you can smoke it out, and you can smoke it out and wear it as an eyeshadow. You can smoke it out and blend it in with another eyeshadow. You can blend it out and pack another eyeshadow on top to make the eyeshadow more vibrant. There's just so many things you can do with it, because it does have a creamy consistency. So my absolute favorite is Perversion, which is like their blackest black. I call it the blackety black because it is very, 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 very black. If you want a smoked out eye with a mean eyeliner, this is what you want to go for. One of my other favorites is Binge, which is like a navy blue. That's good for people that have, of course, that have blue eyes, but people that just want to have something different. And again, you can layer other colors on top of it. Another eyeliner that I use, it's not Urban Decay, but I do really like it. If I do have a client that really wants liquid eyeliner, you do have to be careful as a professional to make sure that you are properly sanitizing your equipment, especially with liquids and something that's dark. But I do like the Smashbox liquid eyeliner. It does have a very nice felt tip, and it's very easy to control. It's wet, so you know, it's wet because it's a liquid, but it's not running. I like that. Something else that I really like is the Smashbox Always Sharp eyeliner in Bare. I like the Always Sharp, I just like the Urban Decay better, but I love this shade of Bare, especially if someone has a small eye, or if they want so much black that we don't want the eye to look so tiny and get lost. I'll put Bare, no matter what your complexion is, on the inner rim of the eye, and it just makes the eye look a little bit more vibrant. Since it is Always Sharp, you do have to twist the top to take it off, and there's your Bare color there. Those are my favorite pencils. And then as far as gels, my two favorite gels, I don't use black because the Perversion, the blackety black as I call it, I will put that on a palette and use a brush if I have to use, if I do need it to mimic like a gel liner. But if I want a gel liner in other colors, then I also like Maybelline's Eye Studio, their Eggplant, which is like, obviously it's a dark purple. Eggplant speaks for itself. And I also like Dip Down, I believe it's called Dip Down. Yep, Dip Down from MAC. And all of these are gel based. All of these are waterproof. So if it gets wet, they will not run. And if you do give way to tears on a special event, you'll still look beautiful. So those are my favorite eyeliners in my professional kit. Please look back at my earlier videos this week where I talk about foundations and eyeshadows and blush and highlights and contours. And I'm sure I'm missing something, but go on back to those videos. Come on back tomorrow because I'll be talking about my favorite lipsticks. Please like and subscribe. I would love to hear from you, so please leave me a comment below. And thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.